Good morning, student of grade 4th. Myself Bhagwati Prajapat and I am your maths teacher. Today we are going to start block 6. Block 6 is factors. Now we will start S1 on page number 27. Today's date is 11th of August 2020 and we are doing all work in our classwork. Okay, S1 is finding factors using square tiles. What is the meaning of factors? Factors means a number that divides the given number without leaving remainder. That means if we are doing division, there will be no remainder. That will called factor. For example, if we are doing 2 divided by 4, okay, 2 divided by 4, 2 2s are 4. We don't have remainder here also, okay. So 2 is a factor of 4. That means in table of 2, 4 come. 2 की टेबल में 4 आता है, okay. Now in another example, we are dividing by 4, okay. 4 1 जा 4, 4 1 जा 4. We don't have here remainder, okay. So 4 is also factor of 4. That means in table of 4, 4 come. 4 की टेबल में 4 आता है, okay. We don't have any remainder here, okay. That is called factors. So students, let's start our S1. Question 1. A number of rows. That means we have to find out number of rows. Students, these 1, 2, 3. These are called rows. These 1, 2 and 3. These are called rows in this question. Okay, in this question we will do. These are called rows. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. These are our rows, okay. And what are the columns? These, like this. These are our columns, okay. These are our columns. Sleeping lines are our columns and standing line are our rows. Now see in this question, number of rows 1, 2 and 3. These are 3 rows. And number of columns 1, 2 and 3. 3 columns. Both are similar, row and columns, okay. In B, number of rows 1. These are our rows. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That means 6 rows and columns. 1, 2 and 3. 3 columns. Okay students, understood with the rows and columns. Now come on next question. Okay. Question 2. Color the grid to show the number 15. We have to show number 15 in this grid using rows and columns in all possible ways. That means we have to find out 15 number, okay. Write all the factors of 15. Factors means in which table 15 come. कौन कौन सी टेबल में 15 आता है. इजी वे ये है कि 15 की टेबल में कौन कौन से नंबर आते हैं, ओके. नाउ इन 15, फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी विल राइट फैक्टर्स ऑफ 15, ओके. नाउ इन 1 टेबल, 1 की टेबल में 15 आता है, यस, ओके. नेक्स्ट 2 की टेबल में नो. टेबल ऑफ 3, यस, टेबल ऑफ 3 ऑल्सो कम इन, ओके. टेबल ऑफ 4, नो. टेबल ऑफ 5, 5 3s are 15, yes, 5 is also factor of 15, yes. 6, no. 7, no. 8, no. 9, no. 10, no. 10 की टेबल में आता है 15, नहीं. 10 2s are 20, no. uh, 11 no, 12 no, 13 14 and 15. 15 की टेबल में 15 आता है. 15 वन जा 15, 1 15 जा 15, 3 5 जा 15, 5 3 जा 15 and 15 1 जा 15. That means in all tables 15 come. इन सब टेबल्स में क्या आता है? 15 आता है. एंड वी हैव टू फाइंड आउट द रोज एंड कॉलम्स. वी हैव टू मेक rows and columns. Okay, so we are doing first of all factor of 1. Factor of 1, that means rows and columns we have to make in anywhere you can make. Okay, so just I am making here and you will draw the 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15. That means we have to do 15. Okay, 1 multiply by 15. That means if we count table of 1 for 15 times, that will come. Okay, first row and columns. Columns and row. Next we will do 3. Okay, now I am doing here 3. Okay, 3 is factor of 15, so we can do 3 multiply by 5. Yes, 3 multiply by 5 will 15. Okay, so 1 2 3 4 5 rows and 3 columns. 1 2 3 columns. Okay, and you will do with color. Okay, now we can do this 5. Okay, 5 multiply by 3. 5 multiply by 3. That means 5 columns. We have to make 5 columns. 1 2 3 4 5. 5 columns. Okay, and 3 rows. 1 2 3 rows. Okay, now it will become 15. Okay, 5 columns. 1 2 3 4 and 5 and 3 rows. 1 2 and 3. Okay, next we have to find out 15. Okay, 15 multiply by 1. That means 15 columns and 1 row. So 1 row, 15 multiply by 1. 15 columns, and we have to count 15. These are all 15. Okay,